Hello, my name's Rosie and I'm going to show you how to make a puppet out of Modroc. You can download our step-by-step guides and our visual guides on our website. For this activity you will need some strips of Modroc, half a cup of water and some paint. I'm going to use brown paint today because I'm making a bear, but you can use any colour paint you like. So let's get making! So get your strip of Modroc, dip it all the way into your cup of water and count to 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now take it out of the water, let a few drips drip off and wrap it around your index finger. That's the finger closest to your thumb. Smooth down all the strips of Modroc, getting rid of all the little holes. Now repeat this process until you've covered your whole finger. Do about 3 layers so it's nice and firm and secure. I'm going to shape some ears by pinching the sides of the Modroc. Once you're all finished, wait for it to dry on your finger for about 5 minutes. Then carefully remove it off your finger and put to one side. Once the Modroc is completely dry, you can start painting. Now I'm making a bear, so I'm using brown paint, but you can use as many colours as you like. You can also decorate your puppet by sticking on material, wool or sequins with PVA glue. So once your puppet is all dry, it's time to add some features. So I've added some lovely little eyes and a mouth on there with a tiny paintbrush and some black paint. So there you go, you can see my bear is all finished now, but you can make any kind of puppet. So here we've got Goldilocks, and she's got lovely sequins for eyes and she's got yellow wool for hair. So she looks amazing, she's going to steal all the porridge. And then we've got a lovely, amazing human puppet here with amazing curly hair, and she's been painted as well. She's really beautiful. And you can also make animals. So here we've got a dolphin who can swim. So you can make a puppet into anything. Thank you so much. Goodbye.